Hi, I'm Andy Ask, and I made this movie so that I could learn how to use my iMovie app on my phone. So it might be kind of messy, it may not look the best, but I'm trying to learn something new, and I've made a lot of changes in the last few weeks. Things are looking up, and I'm excited. So follow my journey, follow my channel, follow me. We'll see where we go. Thanks for watching. So this is my family. This is my reason. This is my why. I started my own business. I had some humble beginnings and built my own desk. And we moved the desk to the corner and got a bigger screen. I even started reading some books. Got some real insight. Things were starting to look up. I love this picture, my daughter. Read the screen. It's time for easy. Nothing's easy. See, I used to drive this car. I had this car paid off. Now I drive this. And that's okay, because this is a temporary thing to a long. Get busy living or get busy dying. I've always loved that saying, and I live by it today. So look, I'm smiling, I'm happy, life is great. And I like to say this all the time. Let's go. Hi there, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Hey, this was a lot of fun to make. I'm going to be making more of these, and things are just going to keep getting better and better. So stay tuned, have fun, rock on. Let's go. Boom. Ha ha.
Madrid to Calabasas, Tijuana, Mexico, through the devils in Tokyo. Say they know me though, cause I'll be putting in work. Commit my life to rebirth, well respected, cause that's my word. And I'm sure you heard about a new sound gone round. She might have left my hood, but she was